Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make carrot oil the easy and effective way. So let's get started. So I have my washed carrots. My carrots are already washed. So wash your carrot before you start, and just something to grate it. I have my grater. After grating your carrots, transfer it to a small pot or a stainless plate. The next step is to add your oil to it. You can use any good oil of your choice. Coconut oil is good, olive oil is good, almond oil is good, sunflower oil is good. Okay, so I'm using almond oil for this, and I'm using 2 cups of almond oil. So just make sure the oil covers your carrots. That's the important thing. So these 2 cups of oil is just okay for the quantity of carrots I'm using. Make sure you have enough oil to cover the carrots. The carrot isn't looking dry, as you can see in the video. You have enough oil to cover it. Let the oil be showing on the top of the carrots. So we're going to be using double boiling method for this, and I just have some water in my pot so that the pot wouldn't get burnt. So add some water to your pot and place your carrots inside the pot. Not too much water, just a little water. So this is it, and we will not cover it. We'll leave it on fire. When it starts boiling, we're going to leave it for extra 20 minutes when it starts boiling, and make sure you're using a medium heat. Don't use a very high heat, use medium heat to cook this, and also stir it. So occasionally stir it because we want our carrot to infuse very well. So don't forget to leave it for extra 20 minutes to boil more before turning off the heat. So turn off the heat and allow it to sit for extra 24 hours. Okay, leave it in the oil to infuse very well. You're not going to touch it, you're going to leave it for extra 24 hours so that it will get cold and also infuse very well. So this is the next day and this is what it looks like. I have a well infused carrots in the oil, so I'm glad you can see the color has changed. So the next step is to strain it. After straining it, we'll leave it for 30 minutes or 1 hour for it to settle very well before pouring it in our container. Our carrot oil is ready for our skin and our hair. So this oil is good for the skin and also good for the hair. And this is the damp part of it. You can still strain it and get some oil from it. Then you use the remaining one for your rice. Yes, I use the remaining oil to prepare jollof rice and I so much love it. So give this a try. This oil is good for children and for adults. And I hope you find this helpful. Please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.